Oh, yeah, man.
I'll leave you alone.
No problem. What's a Jamaican
Yo, my youth. That's here, man. Come take your seat right there, so come. One my official interview, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yeah. I tell you.
Alright.
But I pretty setting, so.
If you don't do something for me, you take him and
So go back. Ready?
So you're not going to do it?
Yes, too.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Alright, sit there.
Yeah, man, we say Holiday TV, you know, so I saw there. So I say, RAS UKKA Black President, so yeah, big up Holiday, the man himself. Start. You know that I have a cutout, so we can't say start. You throw the question and me get the answer. Everything about the song, it come from everything.
No, but I want a girl get an interview. Slide over the seat. You know, interview.
Alright, interview from the back. Don't ask me anything about the song.
That's all.
I think the sound more accessible. So how long have you in this sound business?
Well, the sound about from practically 2005, really. We go through several name change. First of all, we done the high voltage, but then, you know, due to certain things, you know, legal paperwork and them kind of thing, we switch it. So now the sound under the name Black President.
And why? Wait. And why do you choose sound system?
Alright, sound, not necessarily sound system and a whole, you know, but music is kind of, how would I put it, an inborn thing, really. You know, out of the whole governance, everybody have their own part of them have to travel. You know, and as people that put it mostly say, education is the key to success, but nevertheless, education not only mean, you know, the book work, the doctor, the lawyer, the teachers and all that. You know, I own and operate a sound system which, you know, whole lot of things within the education concept of everything really come to the same thing.
I want some detail.
Yeah, go, you go now?
Yeah, go on. Now come.
Everything.
Alright, tomorrow with that.
Not much careful.
I will see you.
So, do you enjoy in the musical business?
Yeah, enjoy it pretty much, but you know say in music and entertainment and a whole, there's a whole lot of ups and downs because you're in the street, one, the woman ever say boy, you don't have enough time for her, you prefer sound over her and all these things, so you enjoy it in a one aspect. Yeah, enjoy it in a one aspect, but in a total different aspect, So both good and bad mixture really.
So there's any time that come across you might change your mind from doing sound system or musical?
No man, no, music all the way. Put it this way. We come to the test for what shows between the 9 to 5 and music. And the 9 to 5 I go. Music remain.
So what come to you when you're thinking about musical and why do you choose music?
Music, what come to me when I think about music? One, the greatest thing that come to me, the bad mind of the music business. I have to touch that point there. Because I Holiday TV with them fun. You have someone that feel like, say boy, the music thing come like the same Illuminati we hear everybody talk about. It's only between a group of people and only the money can make a money and the money can make a money. Them hold up some artists while them fight some others. So what come to mind, bad mind, and people have to open them heart to that and know say, yo, it's out there. So from you do your thing and you go for your own, and hit that just to make nobody stop you. So music is the truthful way, and we're not going to ever change from it.
No.
So, one last question.
No.
What you have to say to all the musical, industrial, and selectors in the dancehall?
Well, point blank, the only thing we can tell a man is, no make no artist tell her how to play. to follow your pattern and to make the disc jockey tell you what to play.
Wow,
Nobody listen to the hype station them and feel like so what? You're gonna play that song because I hit the man they play, I hit the people them used to. Get used to your own pattern, get comfortable in your own thing and that's it. When I hear time, it's half a shot. So we say Holiday TV, that's a rap. It's a rap when I mean Christmas present.
Big up the money, man.
Which man? Ali? Oh, lie. Big up the cameraman. Holiday. You know you go. Holiday TV, thing shot. Big up everybody with there. Big up who they on them where you come. Big up who the one there and never there. You don't know it go this.
Not talk about mental them then.
Oh, Kirk. Oh, God. Man is supposed to go kill me. Still a record?
Yeah.
Hear me now, you don't know it's a black president who said two riches, crisscross, Kirk mental, you know say boy this is the thing there, you know. Long time they never want to see we reach us up. Long time people want to see we reach us up. But you hear me now? So everybody is a surprise. To each man is his own. Black president and we govern the thing and we control the throne. It's that.
Big Stone.
Fuck you, Big Stone. You the want my blood clot son gone away.
Yeah, and they want to kick you out of the place.
And that me I tell you, when the thing start shot, you never want me start play about music for the girl.
Yes, I'm playing Raquel tune them, man.
Yeah, Raquel tune, I don't want to play. See?
Raquel gonna get too
Raquel run left you, get too white, blood clot pit, you have to cut out the whole of the locks. I didn't even tell you about it.
You have bullied me once before.
Yo!
Yeah, you remember that tune?
Holiday producer tune there, man. Govern the thing, don't take it down, man.
Yeah.
You know, right now in the studio, we just kick back and test out the camera and I do a bag of things. That's what I say. You don't know, so you have to go up on Grove Road. Holiday thing shot, thing sick. You know, so we just go on, tie around, go on, build a vibes, and go on with the whole of mates. We just do some voice in a while ago and thing and, you know, mad. So right now we are waiting for the booze for touching, because we don't have the rhythm already, you don't know so rhythm and booze, we say. Yeah, 1 and 2 sexy women in our place. Not bad. All these things. I go on. Yeah, man, a big artist, she just go and build, so she stay. You know, just double up her track and thing, but you don't know, say, Holiday TV, we say, you know, crazy, mad. So, hear me now again, we say that's a rap. Holiday. Watch you now. No one forever, you know, every day. Hit that.